Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Been doing some work on the Talbot Express and I've just completed undersealing the complete underside of the van and the wheel arches, and the MOT is due this month, and I've welded a patch on the inner sill, and I'll show you a few still photos of that and what the metal looked like I took out. This is the inner and outer sill, or part of it. This is the bottom part. That's another part. I think it is somewhere like that. And this is the outer sill, and this is the bottom edge. And when it was on the vehicle, got the light on, when it was on the vehicle, it looked pretty good from the outside, and that's what it's like on the inside. A bit of fiberglass or chewing gum stuck there, and yeah, not good at all. Anyway, it's now been sorted and a new plate put in the outside and the inner sill, and it looks a lot better. And what they've done is they'd put an outer sill on as well in some places, and they'd hammered the old sill, rusted sill, inside and then welded over the top with a new one. So you can imagine what happens to the rusty metal. It all falls to the bottom inside the sill and causes more rot. So I've cut it out and then welded it up. As I say, I'll show you some photographs of what the sill looked like. Now, the MOT's due this month, and I've been working on it, doing lots of jobs, and it's 27 or 28 years old now, this van, Talbot Express, 2.5 litre diesel. It's done currently 79,025 miles. Now what I've done for the MOT is it's new flexible brake hoses, front and rear. I fitted new discs and disc pads. What else have I done? I've fitted a new drive shaft boot on the near side. I've sorted the windscreen wipers out. They were rusted up, so they work properly. The lights all work. Oh yes, the handbrake cables I've had to grease and adjust, and I've checked the rear brake pads and adjusters, and they're all free and working properly. I've checked the tyres, and yeah, oh yes, I've worked out the seat belts. We've never had anybody sitting in this van facing forward, and I noticed there was a sign: passengers are advised to wear restraint straps when travelling in a forward facing seats. So I dug them out. They were sort of buried under the seats, and there's one under here, and they are fully operational, so that's good. So hopefully now it's ready for its MOT. But I'm a nervous wreck. It's just like, I don't know, your child going to school for the very first time, or you're sitting in an exam. I'm just a nervous wreck because I've got so much, I put so much effort and time and money into this van. I just hope it passes its MOT. Fingers crossed everybody for me.